Guys, so naibalik na namin yung aming cart, yung club car dito. So we're good na. And then paano na kami, dito mo ilalagay yon, dito mo ipaparking sa area na to. All good na. Tapos alis na tayo, papunta na tayo ng ferry boat. De nada, muchas gracias, señor. So they let us through now. Where's that ferry? This one? So this ferry, this is the ferry that we are. To again. Huh? Alabama, Alabama. It's red. This is the other side. Hola. Oh, it's so easy. Perfect spot. I'm gonna sit there. You want to front? Guys, we're going to that tower. So yun yung nasa baba, no? So hinahanap namin yung entrance papunta ng tower. Get kami, makikita namin yung buong Cancun area. So ano na yung mga towers na naakyat natin? Calgary Tower, isa doon sa may Quebec Tower, ikalawa CN Tower ng Toronto, ikatlo, and then may ang pang-apat ay itong sa Mexico. So guys, pero man sa view doon sa baba. Mexico, guys. Cancun, Mexico. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? ¿Dónde está? Close today? Oh no! No, this is my last day here! Seriously? Senor! I'm so lucky, I'm going back home tomorrow morning. So meaning to say I need to go back next year, right? Next year. Oh boy. Well then. See you, my friend. See you, amigo. Bye. Oh gosh, this is the CN Tower. The CN Tower. A tower from Cancun. Now, unfortunately, they didn't open, or they did not open today. Hindi sila nagbukas. And this is our last day. Tomorrow morning, uwi na kami ng Canada. So, this is the last day. Hinuli namin to kasi ito yung pinakamalapit sa aming hotel kung saan kami nag-stay. And then sarado pala. Oh my God. Swerte naman. So guys, we're just walking, no? Ang ganda sana, no? So mga guys, if you are interested to go some tours in Cancun area, and then if you guys want to be in Quintana Roo area, we stayed in this hotel so that is easier access for us for everything we need to, or anywhere to go, no? So we went to Captain Hook, which is walking distance, and then secondly we went to Isla Mujeres, walking distance, yung ferry boat 3 minutes, no? Yung Captain Hook 5 minutes, and then this Cancun Tower na to, another 3 minutes walk from the hotel. So that's why we stayed there. Sabi ko, this will be our last destination na pwede natin mapuntahan bago tayo umuwi. And then unfortunately, that guy, I think that guy there, he said no, it's closed today, the whole day. So how lucky we are. But we saved this afternoon shift for that tower. And then I don't know, I don't have enough time for other places kasi it will take time to go there. Not unlike this tower na it's just a walking distance from our hotel. So that's life. I think and I hope there will be a second time for us. All right. Again, guys, sorry I can't show you the tower today. Maybe next time, if there's a next time, no, but I'm not planning to go back here in Mexico in the maybe next 5 or 10 years, because I have targets to finish, no, before na babalik ako dito sa lugar na napuntahan ko na. So let's see, maybe later on yung Mexico is maging yung Cancun is maging Cancun, Mexico is maging Cuba or Dominican Republic. I just don't know, no? So yung isa patingin-tingin pa, pagod na kasi ako eh. So lakad ulit kami pa uwi. kami pa uwi. Grabe yung pawis namin dito. So guys, as you can see to my left, on the left, highway, parang Pilipinas din. Sabi ko nga sa inyo sa ibang mga vlog ko, dito parang Pilipinas din. Yan may mga nag-aantay din ng bus, no? So yan yung bus nila. So if you ride a bus from the hotel to the city, you only need to pay $1. And take note guys, when I say $1, it's not Canadian dollar, it's not an Australian dollar, it's a US dollar ang ginagamit nila dito. So they use Mexican peso and United States dollar, ina-accept nila dito. Alright, so guys, one more minute, I will reach my hotel. Then walang tower ngayon, ikakain ko na lang ulit to. Grabe yung pawis ko, kakapalit ko lang, tagaktak. Kung nakikita, tagaktak yung pawis ko ngayon. Sunog yung balat ko. And we only stayed here for 5 days, pero grabe yung pagkasunog ng balat ko. Anyways, this is a very good experience to both of us, and something to remember someday. So guys, kung kayo ay mahilig mag-travel kagaya namin, eto si Ways to Wonder ang kabady nyo. Pero syempre pinipili din namin yung mga pupuntahan namin, something is safe and affordable, no? So guys, talagang pagod to the match, and then my skin was so burned like this, right? I'm totally hola. Hey guys, tunamit ko si anong name ulit? Brandon Meet Jag, Ways to Wonder. So na-meet ko sila dito sa Cancun, Mexico. They are from Vancouver, British Columbia. Pero kapwa natin sila, kababayan natin sila. They are from Malolos, Bulacan. Shout out naman dyan, Wonder.
Sa mga kaibigan ko dyan sa Vancouver.
Yeah, sa Pilipinas.
Tsaka dyan sa Pilipinas.
Enjoy ba ang Mexico?
Oo naman.
Ayun tayo eh. Single ka ba?
Ay hindi, may asawa ko.
Paul tayo dyan, sabihin ko sana eh. Okay guys, snack time. Free ulit to.
Yummy!
All inclusive sa mga snacks. Pwede kang mamili burger, tacos, hot dogs, pizza. Unlimited yan maghapon. Tapos yung food and drinks, mga alak, unlimited din doon. Kaso sawa na ako sa alak. Ito na lang kasi nagutom ako sa paglalakad namin eh. Akin lahat to kasi sabi niya kanina ayaw niya eh. Di ba ayaw mo?
Eh di wow.
Hindi, meron kang lemon pie doon eh. Yung binigay sa iyo sa sinote na
3 araw na yun. Matigas na yun.
Hindi, pinagdadamot mo sa akin doon eh. Kaya yun sa'yo, akin to.
Eh di wow. Labas. Hindi ka pwede dito. Labas.
Ako pumila doon eh.
Doon, labas.
Init eh. Hindi inumin, ayaw mo kumuha eh. Ikaw na ang pumila kasi pangalan ko lagi nakikita eh.
Wala eh. Tagdamot to, madamot.
Alam mo, yung inis ko dun sa sarado pala yung tower, kakain ko na lang Tapos magbababad sana ako doon. May mga naglalaro ng doon sa pool ng volleyball. Tapos may program daw dyan mamaya, may show daw dyan. Mamaya ang 7:30 dyan sa gitna. Oo, kung anong pool yun. So kain na lang tayo.
Yum, yum.
Grabe lang yung burger na ito. Loaded talaga. Ito kahit maghapon kang kumain nun, magbusin mo doon, libre talaga yun.
Yum, yum, yum. Happy anniversary! Pulong-pula ka eh.
Kaya nga, anniversary natin.
Happy 10 years anniversary and 15 years of togetherness na naglulukuhan.
10 years ko na yung niloloko.
10 years na kami nagbibisitan. 15 years pala, 15 years na kami nagbibisitan. Ay, napakain.